Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML element. And right now, we'll be talking about how to skip the border around the table by leaving out table from the CSS selector. So right now, the thing we are going to do right here is that we are not going to use the table tag. We are just only going to use the th tag and also the td tag, the table header tag, and also the table data tag. That's the two tag we want to use instead of using the table tag. So quickly, let's get back to our document and see how it look. This is how our document look in our former previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can watch our previous tutorial, and this is the code that makes this happen. So right now, we don't want to style the border. We want to skip the table. We only want to style the th and the td tag. So quickly, let's see how it works. This one, let's do it like this and come here and just write border. So let's use 2 pixel solid red and come here. Let's use border radius. Let's give it 3 pixel. Let's come back to our document and reload it. Can you see how our document looks? Our table has gone. Now let me show you something now. Our table is gone now. So see, let's come back here and see what is happening here. Let's delete this and save this. Come here, reload it. Can you see what is happening here now? Now our table is having its own border. So the table border is different from the table header and the table data border. So now we can manipulate this more. So we can do anything we want to do with the table alone, and we can do anything we want to do with the th and the td alone. So all of them now, they are working on different level now. So we don't have any problem with them. So, and again, let's say for instance, now in our previous tutorial, in one of our tutorial, we discussed about border collapse. Let's say in our table we are having collapse here. We have specified the collapse here, and here inside our th and the td, we want to specify border. Let's say we specify border. Here we give it 2 pixel solid red, 2 pixel solid red. Then we give it border radius, right? We give it border radius. Let's say we give it border radius, we give it 3 pixel. Let's see what will happen. Let's reload our document. Can you see the border radius still does not work in our table header and our table data, because we are using what? We are using collapse here. Don't forget, anytime you are using the collapse, the radius, the border radius is not going to work perfect, because that's how HTML wants us to use it. Can you see now? It's working. Our border radius, everything comes out. But when you are using it, no matter what, when you are using it inside the table, it will never work. Can you see our border? Can you see the border is no more there? So right now, let's say for instance, now we now want to use border here, border radius here, and we give it 3 pixel. When we give it 3 pixel and reload our document, can you see what happened? It doesn't show. So the problem here is that you will need to remove the border collapse so that your border radius can show, and whatever you are doing can show. So anything you want to do, you cannot do it manually. You can control all this manually. Let's say you want to remove this box here. Now you don't want it to be there, you can do that manually if you want. So in the future tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this again in a simpler way. So I just want you to understand this very well. We are doing something that will make this background none. So let me specify border none, background none on this one now, and reload our document. Can you see this one is gone? So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, but never forget, we are what I'm telling you, try to practice, because practice makes perfect. So I'm trying to show you all this because I want you to get the point. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye.